Welcome. Today I will show you how to unlock Samsung A13. First we check if this phone has FRP lock. Now, how to unlock? If you have the latest version software, you need to downgrade it using this software. I will show you. You can download it from Samsung official website. And you can flash it with Odin. If you have already this software, now connect the phone with PC. Now open this tool and choose Remove FRP 2022 Security. Now open this diag, type this code and click OK. Now mark this and allow. And wait. After this operation will be done. Remove FRP successfully. Now we have unlocked Samsung A137F. Thank you for your attention, and until the next time.